Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a heart pillow using Fimo air drying clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the air drying clay and mold it into a pillow shape. After the clay was dry, I painted the pillow with white and red acrylic paint. Next you can paint the heart with red stripes. In the end, you can add some details at the corners of the pillow. When the color is completely dry, you can add a few layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. I added 2 coats of varnish and glued the magnet on the back of the figurine. This is how my finished heart pillow looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!